Hello everyone. Today is Earth Day, a worldwide event held on April 22nd each year to bring awareness about our planet and environmental protection. It started back in 1970, so today is the 50th anniversary of this important event. We each need to do our part to protect our planet. We're going to give you a 5-part video series on ways we can help our planet, featuring myself, Mr. Lawler, and Mrs. Kempinski. Let's get started. I'm going to show you 3 ideas for things you can do with plastic bottles, which we normally put in the recycling bin, or worse, sometimes we put them in the trash pile. There are 3 magic words for plastic: reduce, reuse, recycle. As you know, at school, we have reduced the amount of plastic water bottles that we use. These, no bueno. Instead, use a reusable water cup like this one. Second, reuse plastic, which is what we're going to show you today in this first video. And lastly, recycle. If there is no recycling bin where you are, save your plastic bottle until you get home and put it in your recycling bin. Now, let's get to our first reusing plastic cool project. The first thing we're going to make is a I Spy in a Bottle game. For this project, we need a few items. The first one is a water bottle with a cap. Make sure it's dry and that you remove the label. We're also going to need some rice, dry, uncooked rice, doesn't matter the size, the brand, or the type. A funnel to fill our water bottle. And you're going to look around your home for about 15 or 20 little items that you can drop into that water bottle. For mine, I have a battery, a plastic alligator, plastic key, a pebble stone, and my favorite, my Lego Boba Fett helmet. Okay, so our first step is to take our water bottle and we're gonna put our 15 or 20 items in it. I have 15 items. So 1, 2, my key 3, little green baby 4, my littlest pet shop, my Boba Fett helmet, battery, nut and bolt, my mini pencil, my plastic alligator, my pebble stone, an orange paper clip, a 3D printed mini heart, and a penny. Step number 2, we take our bottle with our items, we put a funnel in it, our rice, and we fill the water bottle with rice, but not all the way to the top. You want to do it to almost like 80 or 90% full, maybe about 90% full. You want to leave a little bit of space in it so that when we shake it, the rice and the items can move around. Keep pouring until you get all the way almost to the top. That looks about right. Then put the cap on and start shaking it to mix all the items in the rice and start making your I Spy bottle. It's gonna take a few minutes to shake it. You wanna shake it a lot so that all the items get spread about the bottle. And then when you start looking for them, oh, I found my alligator. The Boba Fett helmet. Pretty cool game. To play the game, get your bottle with all the items in it. Make sure you shake it a lot. You're also going to want to make a list of all the items that you put in the bottle. In my case, I have 15 items, so there are 15 items on my list. I recommend you do it with no less than 10, no more than 20. More than 20 is too many, less than 10 is too little. And borrow a stopwatch, give it to a family member, and see how fast they can find all the items in the bottle. Now, let's send it over to Mr. Lawler for video number 2 on our Earth Day video series. Take it away, Mr. Lawler.